Hey guys, what's up? Apple just had their event and what a way to bring Techtober to an end. This is your Tech Panda and here is everything about the Apple October event. Apple started the MacBook by talking about the moment the Steve Jobs pulled it from that envelope, and oh boy, that was an iconic moment for not only Apple but for notebooks in general. Apple said each and everything about this new MacBook Air was new and redesigned, but they decided to keep the name, the MacBook Air. The new MacBook has a Retina display of 13.3 inches. The pixels have been doubled 4 times with a total of 4 million pixels and 48% more color. Apple has also shrunken the bezels by 50%, making it much more sleeker. It has also a new Touch ID but no touch bar there. Touch ID is controlled by new T2 chip, which among other things also provide Hey Siri functionality to the MacBook Air. The keyboard is all new with the third generation keys, all of them individually lit. The trackpad is also larger with 20% more room for all your gestures, and of course the new trackpad is the force click design. The new MacBook Air also comes with a new audio and speaker system. The MacBook Air is 25% more louder with twice the bass. It has microphone array for better sound and the Hey Siri recognition. For connectivity, Apple has moved to the USB-C for the next generation of MacBooks. It has two USB-C type Thunderbolt ports for charging and data transfer. This MacBook Air also supports external GPUs as well. The MacBook has 8th generation of Intel i5 processor with 1.6 gigs. The RAM memory has been doubled to 8 GB with a 60% faster SSD. It still has same all-day battery life of 12 hours usage with 13 hours of iTunes movie playback. Even with all the new stuff, the new MacBook Air is even more portable than before with 17% less volume and is just 15.6mm thin. That is 10% thinner and it weighs just 2.75 pounds. The new MacBook is also made from a new aluminum alloy from 100% recyclable aluminum. So no more mining guys. The new MacBooks comes in 3 finishes: silver, space gray and gold. The new MacBook starts at $11.99, making it most affordable Retina Mac. It is available for order today and it will start shipping next week. Next up, they talked about the Mac Mini, and guys, we finally have an update of Mac Mini after 4 years. It now comes in space gray color. Speaking of processor, it has 4 cores which can be upgraded to 6 cores. They are 8th generation Intel processors with the desktop class performance. The performance is up to 5 times faster now. The Mac Mini comes with a 34 GB of memory, expandable up to 64 GB, which is really impressive guys. Also has all flash storage with up to 4 times faster storage option, configurable up to 2 TB. Mac Mini also comes with new thermal design for airflow. Speaking of connectivity, Mac Mini comes with 4 USB-C ports as well as 2 USB-A ports and a 10 GB Ethernet option as well. So it is much better package overall. It can also be rated with other Mac Minis for enhanced performance, which is really cool guys. The entry model starts at $799 and it can be ordered today and will start shipping next week. Next up, Apple talked about the iPad Pro. This is what all of us have been waiting for guys. Apple started by telling how much they have outsold the different PCs and notebooks in the last year, making iPad one of the most popular tablets, and then they revealed the new one. The design of the new iPad looks like a hybrid between the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 6. It has an all-new thin design with an edge-to-edge display. It has a new liquid retina display. They did told us that the display was inspired from the iPhone XR and it has similar kind of pixel technology. It has all the great features like wide color gamut and ProMotion as well. The 10.5-inch model size has been increased with a 250,000 more pixels. As for 12.9-inch model, it has been made portable and it fits the size of a piece of paper guys. The iPad is also 15% more thinner than the last model. 12.5-inch model has 25% less volume for the same display. With the Touch ID gone, the iPad comes with the Face ID, which is much more secure and accurate. It has been reprogrammed to work in any orientation. These iPads are powered by monstrous A12X Bionic chip. It has 7 nanometer tech with almost 10 billion transistors. It has 8 cores, 4 high performing, 4 high efficiency. The workloads are 90% faster, and in terms of graphics it is 1,000 times faster than the original iPad. Apple even compared it to the new Xbox in the terms of graphics performance. The iPad still come with the all-day battery life and 1 TB storage option. Apple has finally dropped Lightning and moved to USB-C on iPads. iPads can now be connected to 5K displays, and they are extremely capable of even charging your iPhones. With this, Apple also unveiled new Apple Pencil, and you remember that mystery connector in my leaked videos that is used to attach Apple Pencil to iPad and charge it. Apple also showcased some pro apps including NBA game and new Photoshop app as well, guys. Wow, this is really some pro level work by Apple. You can order the new iPad today and it will start shipping next week. The 11-inch model is available for $799, and for 13-inch model you have to pay $999. Wow guys, Apple had one of the most exciting events in the year. That's pretty much it guys, but we still haven't seen the new AirPods. You can check my video on that for all the leaks on the AirPods from Apple. So what do you guys think about the new Apple products? Which one you are most excited for? Tell me down in the comments. Until next time guys, bye bye.